Welcome back to another Singularity of the Day. Today's question is, how do I streamline the process for getting a bill of materials from either SolidWorks or Enterprise PDM into Microsoft Excel? Right? We want to maintain the columns and the rows. Of course, you may be familiar with the ability to save these out as a CSV, comma separated value file. So let's go ahead and take a look at what we get there. In this case, we'll do it from Enterprise PDM. Create that CSV file, but what are we going to expect? We're going to expect that the values here are all separated by commas. And sure enough, let's take a look at it in Excel. It is. So when we open it in Excel, we see commas. The columns are not maintained. So we could use Excel to manage and transform this information, of course, or input data from a CSV file, but there's another option. Go into your control panel, into our clock, language, and region settings. Let's change the date, time, and number format. We'll go to additional settings, and right here for our list separator, this is actually what Windows is going to use when we create a CSV file, and sure enough, right now it's a comma. We want it to be a tab, because if it's a tab and we open a CSV file into Excel, it's going to recognize that tab as the delimited case and give us our desired columns. Now, of course, I can't just enter in a tab here. It just takes me to the next field. So here's the trick. Open up a Notepad document, hit Tab, select the tab, Control-C, and Control-V. Paste that into the list separator. So when we apply that, let's go ahead and recreate our CSV file here. Overwrite that one. And so now when I open this up in Excel, look at that. Because it's a tab separated value now, those tabs come right into an Excel document, maintaining those cells that we want to maintain, making it much easier to open this information up and handle it maybe a little bit better. So again, take a look at the control panel settings in your regional and language settings to be able to change what Windows is treating that separator as for that list, if it's going to be a comma or a tab. So hopefully that's helped you handle your bill of materials, and hope you enjoyed the Singularity of the Day.